I was a queen that I meant to be. I had a taste for something, but I couldn't run away. That child could have got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. But I see on stage, I was a queen that I meant to be. I lived to die. I said is real. With you, I could stay there, close my eyes, forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say they were never true. In the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Look! Always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it burn. Face. Pangarap ko ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, magnegosyo, yumaman, ganun. Hindi yung pag-ibig na yan, stress pa yan, gastos pa yan. Kini nga videograph.
I've never come across.
Everyone!
Say goodbye to.
Isay dito kasama sa lugar na ito ang babaeng mahal niya. Walang pagpipilian ng lalaki. Personal niyang ikinulong siya sa malamig na kabahay, ngunit walang magawa. Ang kanyang mga kamay ay nakatali ng mahigpit. Tinapos ng lalaki ang lahat. Umingat niya ang mabigat na asarol. Papatpindutin ng kristal na pader sa itaas. Ang asarol ay tumaman ng paulit-ulit. Makalat ang mga malutong na bitak sa dingding na kristal. Sa wakas, sa huling suntok, halos ginagamit ang lahat ng lakas ng lalaki. Ang kristal na pader ay sumabog sa isang malaking butas. Kagad,